Partner with Flexco, the experts in belt conveyor solutions and your partners in productivity. Now you can find and download 3D CAD files of their popular products right from the website. From the homepage, hover over Products and select your preferred product type. The product page offers a wide range of helpful information and product details. To access the CAD files, select 3D Product Configurator. From here, navigate to the specific product type and series you need. In the Configurator window, use the drop-down options to customize the product to meet your design needs. On the right, you see an interactive 3D preview of the product you configured. This window offers a wide range of views, so you can see the critical dimensions and up-close details. When you're happy with the product, click Download CAD, and then click Add Formats. Here you can browse from over 100 file formats and versions, so you get a file that works in your CAD software. You can also choose a file format by category, or by typing the name of the CAD system into the search bar. Next, click Start Generation, and your CAD model will be ready to download within seconds. You can also generate a custom PDF datasheet. These files include an interactive 3D viewer, product specs, technical drawings, and more. This is great for those who need to access the product information but don't need a large CAD file. For more great products, go to flexco.com and visit 3dfindit.com to learn more about online solutions for industrial manufacturers.